Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your team in FIFA Mobile. So improving and upgrading are a little bit the same thing, but there are different types you can upgrade your team significantly. And that does this not involve buying players or pressing the auto build. Now the best way to upgrade your players is to use skill boosts on different players. So let's say we want to use the finishing ability, especially as we got a Welbeck, we want to upgrade that finishing boost, so we're going to upgrade that twice. And this is a way for you to significantly upgrade your team. Here we can use the agility section. We don't really have anyone, but look for players that you might need. So especially Pulisic definitely needs it. So we're going to use that ball control to significantly upgrade his level. Another thing you can do is to train them. So let's say I want to train one of my best players. And I'm going to go to the player section. I'm going to go to Major. And I'm going to go into the upgrade review. I'm going to use both of these players. I'm going to train for 40k, and here his training level is completely increased and all of his attributes have been increased to his maximum. And then this way you can start to use the rank items to order to start to upgrade his overall rating. And this is one of the few ways where you can do to start upgrading your team. To get some of these tools or to get some of these equipment in order to start upgrading, look for live events such as UCL, Heroes, Team of the Week tournament, League Tours, Heroes Journey. These guys give these tournaments give a lot of crafting and resources in order to start upgrading your team. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.